Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be implementing dynamic profile menus using our Tradely editor. Currently, our website has profile menus with fixed links and icons that are not editable. Let's open the editor and take a look. As you can see, the profile menu contains some default blocks. First, we'll publish these changes and observe how they update on our website. We need to reload our page to see the updates. Wow, I can see that all the menus have been updated with new icons and styles. Now, I have the option to change some menus, add more menus, or delete existing ones. Let's check by adding a new menu. We'll select the menu block to create a new menu. We see there is a button to choose a default menu URL. We'll select the privacy policy URL and name it Privacy Policy. Next, we'll choose an image from our gallery. Now let's save and publish it. Oops, it doesn't look as good as the other menus. Let's see how we can fix it. Here, we have the option to right-click with the mouse. When we click on any block, we see an option to copy block style. Let's copy it and paste it into the new block. Now, publish it. Wow, now it looks great. By following these steps, we can achieve a dynamic profile menu that we can change based on our needs and also make responsive. Okay, bye-bye. See you in another feature video.